I got this shit. Alright boys, and there we go. The Fox transfer. Instead of just, fixing my old dropper post, we got a new one. So let's unbox this thing. Alright, it's not Bluetooth, but we got that, which is where the string goes. Actually, the string goes down there. Wait. Where's the dropper lever? Fuck! Alright, here we got the wolf tooth dropper actuator. Why was this bitch 70 bucks? Oh yeah, just cable. Oh yeah, and some grips. Alright, let's go take all of this shit and put it on my bike. And we're back. This dropper post is still being very fucking annoying. Let's get this thing out of here. Comes out. We just let it hang. Damn, that was effort. Either way, now we can just slide it off. Totally was easy, right? And as we turn our attention back to this dropper post, we need to disconnect that wire. There's a bolt right there. Let's take that thing off. And that's separation. Next, we turn our attention to the seat post. If you watched my last video, you know it's just as easy as taking out that bolt right there. Now, let's take it out. The dropper is in hand. That thing, it sucked. Now the next step is to pull that cable through the bike because it's internally routed. Now it's time to get the old cable and just pull it through. And that's what the finished product should look like. And after putting it all together, she's in. Now time to cook that up. Bang. New grips bank, new wire got fed through, screwed in, and now we're all connected. Let's go, baby! There she is. She's all put together. Thanks for joining me on my crazy story of failure and success, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.